Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. So we need to transform this one into this one. Now we have the second formula in here. Sin s equals to e to the power of s minus e to the power of negative s over number 2. So I will put this one gone here. And now I will put number 2 go to numerator. Next, we need to multiply by e to the power of s on numerator and denominator. This one multiplied by this one. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to e to the power of s. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have e to the power of s ds. This one we can change by u, and that's about u square. This one we change by u. E to the power of s ds we change by du. So number 2, I will put this one gone here. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about t equals to u square minus 1. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have 2u. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one we can change by t. 2u du we change by dt. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of t, and I will put about c. About t, that is about u square minus 1. About u, that is about e to the power of s. This is the end. Thank you for watching.